There is no such thing as a Chinese alphabet. Instead, there are thousands of Chinese characters. How do we begin learning Chinese if there is no Chinese alphabet? Some Chinese characters have just one element, while others have 2 or 3 or more in rare cases. To read a newspaper is around 2,000 characters, 3,000 for frequently used, and 8,000 a well-educated person. Pinyin is the romanization system, and every word has a final, vowel, initial, consonant, and tone mark. Pinyin is a great way to ease a new student into learning Mandarin. The first step is to understand the tones and the sounds of the initials and the finals. Then, to memorize the characters, I suggest you start with Chinese radicals. Here's a video for your following action.